Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, roof rack, speed control, power moonroof. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.